Well, let me get in position here. I'm not walking over for an intro. You're walking over for an intro. How's it going, guys? Simo here, back at it again with my little puppy. Yes, my corgi is tired, and yes, I'm rushing this intro so I can get him some, stamina back, because I care about my corgi. And I didn't walk over there for an intro just for you guys. Hello! So hungry! You know, I usually eat oranges off the tree that I sleep under, but I accept your humble... Well, it's not even humble. I'm very grateful for the food. Thank you. Thank you. You don't understand me? I said I'm heading off. I'm gonna see Papa. Papa's gonna be seen. Are you following? Oh, I thought I would have friends on this journey. Oh. Oh, you're going... Going back. Grab. 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 Donut. I wasn't trying to knock over the sandcastle. What's back here? I feel like there's something back here. Nothing. I really wish it was like a Moana type thing. You know, since they had John Wick up here. Well, not up here, but in the Cloud City that I was at. Not even city. Cloud Park. Dang, Papa's across the ocean. Oh, he has a hammock? Hammock? Hammock. Hammock. Someone will tell me how to say it someday. Where? Oh, friend! I can't do anything about the whale, honestly. I need friend. Well, I guess the whale could be my friend, too. Get up! Okay, whale. Oh. I'm not strong enough. And the answer is yes. If you heard my mashing, I play on controller for this. Because I like to relax in my chair as I play. I will play mouse and keyboard for other games, but this one is so chill that I'm not gonna play it for this one. And yes, it's probably why I missed most of those jumps. Help me! How do you guys not know there's like another dog close by is the real question. Help me. Do you just like stay in this corner of the island? Where do you live? Oh wait, you probably live up and to the left. Where the hammock is. Hammock. Hooray! For this one! Oh, whale. We will help this whale! Well, I don't have to be mashed that hard. But I will! Ugh, I'm getting tired. I'm getting tired. Oh no! Put for the whale! You know, you seemed like you had a lot of energy and you could have flopped all the way back. Wait, is that a dolphin? Was that a dolphin? That thing was huge. Are dolphins that huge? Staying alive. I was not expecting a rhythm game in this. And I'm pretty bad at rhythm games. I'm sorry. How did y'all not know that? Oh. Because this one's traveling too. Okay, that makes sense. It's cool how they differentiate with, like, giving this one a stubby tail and that one a longer tail. It's 2 against 1 here. Help us. Oh, 3 against 1. Help us. This is adorable. The dolphin? Is it like 2 per surfboard? You need a map. We need a stick. We need a rope. I'm pretty sure that rope is gonna snap. Because that thing's soaked in salt water for like a while. If that thing's there. Under the sea. Under the sea. I found some rope. Oh, what am I singing? Y'all didn't hear that. I'll leave it in, but just agree with me. Into the water longer than I can remember. Oh no. Oh no. Okay. Perfection. Okay, we got this. We got this. Am I smart? Am I smart? I'm not smart, am I? I'm not smart. It'd probably be easier to go to the right, but I am... Oh no. Oh no, you're seeing how dumb I am. Perfection. Can it just be me in here? Perfection. Wait, wasn't there a third person? A map. Oh, fuck. A sail. I guess we don't need a map because we see it straight across. I'm dumb. We built that. I miss my best friend Dodo. Boost! Oh! Is there other? Oh, there are. Can we go the other way first? I'm sorry, guys. Detour. Real quick detour. Is it bad I'm going this way? Is that it? Okay, yeah. Apparently the game doesn't want me to explore. We'll probably go back that way to like get some items or something. It's usually like that. Dang, is that the thing that sunk the Titanic? Are we gonna do the I'll never let go scene and then I get let go? Wait, can we not crash? Oh, okay, we're good. Heaven, yeah. Is it catching on yet? Is Heaven, yeah, catching on? Probably not. Y'all think I'm pretty lame. I'm so sorry, bro. Like, you're in that short-sleeved shirt. Papa is up ahead. He's probably protecting this other dog's owner. Birds of a feather flock together. Dogs of a pack know where is it at? Oh gosh, I'm terrible. Dogs of a pack know where it's at. I like the badges. Oh please, don't slip. No. You can't. Burr. A burr. We can be friends. We can't be friends. That's right. I got the skills. The skills that'll give you the chills. Am I trying hard? Yes. Action commands with the guy? That is epic. The dog can piggyback. I'm not even sure if dogs can actually do that, but I am impressed. We can't. It's a burr. Yes, I know it's a bear, but I like saying burr. Dude, if we get the whale in the fight, like if it like dolphin dives into it, like dolphin jumps, you're outnumbered here. You ain't winning this conversation. Help us. Dude, if that sail snaps, like, you flying off. See, guys, I told you were gonna go this way. No! The guy's just like looking. He's like, I don't want. Okay. That's fair. I'm gonna be the distraction, aren't I? I gotta find a bird. Huh? Oh, I'm in control of this guy? What are we doing here? I have to follow this perfect path? Wait! I gotta find... not bird. I gotta... best friendo! This dog's best friendo! That is not the intent, but I'm a dog, so this is different. You better not stop, please. We don't have time to stop! You can keep walking! Bark, 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 bark! Bush! Please! Come on, that guy is running way longer than you. You cannot be tired yet, please. We need to save him! Birds! There are more birds? Oh, stamina bar. I'm on the way, taking a shortcut through the water. Oh, not through that way. Oh, I'm so sorry. This is ended very badly. Go birds! Swarm him! Oh wait, I need snack. Scatter treats! Scatter! How do these dogs get unlimited stamina? We're all set. Come forth, birds. Come this way! This way! I don't think the spanking's necessary, but okay. This dude is so over the top. Dang. I didn't know their weakness was birds. Is he flexing here? Like... I'll end this one after the dolphin ride. We'll go to the tiny island first. Because it'll be so much easier to find them. They're sharp. That's not fair. Yeah, there's nothing to the right. Like, if anything, it's blocking the other dog's island. Dude, this is the Moana Island. This looks like it. Oh, where they find Maui and all that? No. Dog, if they could take on a beast, they're definitely gonna take you out. Y'all doing tug of war? Oh no. Oh, I can't push it again? Oh, it's a... Dude, you need to tell me it's a hole, not a... I'm not talking because I'm locked in. Oh no, I shouldn't have talked. I lost the lock-in. Oh, I'm bad at this. The small ones are a bit tougher. Oh no. It's kind of fast for... I wanna talk, but I need to focus, sorry guys. I'm not good at multitasking. You ain't taking this dog. Oh my god, there's more? If I missed the bottle on that other island, I'm gonna be kinda mad about it. I am locked in! I just noticed this game is kind of forgiving. Oh, it's not forgiving! I spoke too soon! Oh no, it's really not forgiving. I'm the best around. No bird is gonna pull me down. Cringe, very cringe. You know, this would have been solved if you just let go earlier. We didn't need the rope. Very adorable, though. Fine. Well, at least save the last puppy, because, you know, I can't leave him hanging. Not gonna lie, that looks like Kingdom Hearts 1, like Destiny Islands. From a distance. Like, up close, now that we're here, like, it doesn't have, like, the shack or the door to the back of the island, you know? Okay. What's your challenge? More birds. These birds are just... Birds are just the theme of this, I guess. Oh no. Oh, dude, I just realized I didn't get the freaking stamina jar. Oh. Am I gonna lose them? Is the coconut better? Oh, the coconut is better. Oh no. I didn't know we were doing this. I want a rematch. If this isn't a long course, I want a rematch. Oh no. We are in 2 different leagues. I have the power coconut on my side. Oh no! Okay, I need to lock in. Dude, this dog just has unlimited stamina. This is impressive. But my corgi will be even- oh no! I'm messing up. I'm doing terribly. Oh, you don't regain stamina. The treats are for stamina. Okay, I don't need the treats all the time. He's too fast. He's too fast. More coconut. Coconut. I feel like I just was so terrible that the game had to give me like an easy mode at the end. Why is my game choppy? Perfect? Happy? No, it's not perfect. I need Papa here. Help me! Y'all are reunited, but I need to be reunited. But first, I need to go back for the freaking stamina pot. Oh, don't notice me. Oh! Yo, that is cheating! You made a straight line and then you shot like a curve. Let's try this again. He will not see us. Okay, he's going to see us. He's not going to see us. Why was I on the edge of my chair just because of that? Like, this is the most nonchalant thing ever. Shouldn't be this way. Level up! Check the other app? No. Okay guys, this episode is running way too long. You're welcome for a longer episode. I hope it's a good episode for you guys. But what are we looking at? What are you looking at? There's something back here. No. But yeah. Hold on. Let's get grouped up here. Thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next episode.